Hello everyone and welcome to a new owner review. I'm today with Tino. Hi Tino, how are you today?
I'm doing fine, how about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Could you please tell me more?
This is the Volkswagen Beetle. It's not mine, but the owner of the car couldn't be here today, so I'm reviewing it today. It's the Volkswagen Beetle A5 model. It's one of the newer models, and it's from the inside and the outside it's tuned. And today we're driving with it.
And do you know why she chose the Beetle?
We chose the Beetle because we wanted something unique, so not a regular Golf or Opel, and it's a pretty unique car. You don't see it very often.
And what could you please tell me more about the car? The modification she did or you did together with her?
The car has some major changes from the inside. There's an intercooler, there's a Miltec non-resonated catback system, there's another downpipe, and the gears are the stationary tuned. The transmission.
And also I see that she has like a Instagram account.
Yeah. It's,
Is she going often to auto meetings or?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Are you from a special club like Team Badent of Shadow Drivers, or you are just going for on your own?
No, it's all round. Everywhere where it's fun to go. Yeah, we like to go.
What do you like about the car?
The most I like about the car is that from the outside it looks like a cute little car, and from the inside it's pretty fast. It's currently this 340 horsepower, and there's a new turbo on the way, and then it will push up to 500 horsepower, and that's a lot.
What you can say more about the car?
It's a very fun car to drive. It's well, from the outside it looks like a Beetle. From the inside it has the most core components of a Golf GTI. So it's from the inside like a sports car. It's the DSG transmission, so it shifts very quick, especially when you're on the higher speed. So maybe if we have a nice route, we can show it.
And the stripe, or what you can say about the
stripe is wrapped. That's not standard.
Like that is more aggressive.
Yeah, it has a white sports stripe.
And what is the top speed?
Top speed, I don't know.
And the motor, it was upgraded, or is the stock?
The motor itself is stock, but it has a bigger turbo. It's a 2-liter turbo from Volkswagen. Do you like the car so far?
Yeah, I do. The sound, it's amazing. Yeah. Like you say, for a small car.
Yeah.
It's impressive, let's say. You don't get problem. No. It's not too loud.
No, it's not too loud. It's fine. When you drive harder, it sounds harder. It has a nice sound. I'm gonna enter the highway now.
When you push it, you don't lose control, let's say.
Yeah, not on the highway because we already rode it. But if it's wet, sometimes you lose a bit of grip.
She must be super lucky with so small and nice and powerful car.
Yeah, it's very powerful.
Like I say, yeah. It's my first time in the Beetle.
Yeah.
But yeah, what an experience, let's say.
It's quite unique.
Yes.
So it's your first time in the Beetle?
Yes.
In the new ones or Beetle in general?
Sorry?
In the new ones or the Beetle in general?
In general. To be honest, it's hard to find people with Beetle.
Yeah, because they are unique. That's why the Beetle is chosen. Yeah, you're impressed?
Yes. Like sound and the car and so small and yeah. I've been also in Tesla Model 3 performance and also from 0 to 100 we are in 3 seconds.
Yeah, very quick also. But it does have another feeling.
Yeah. But here I think maybe you don't go so fast, or you go so, but you have the sound,
Yeah, it's
and that one give you more like
it's a nicer experience.
yeah.
Yeah, and people don't expect it to be as fast.
I will say it's for someone to that like a little bit adrenaline and enjoy it and not just drive around.
Yeah, if we have to give it a number from 1 to 10 from the cars you've reviewed.
Yeah, I will say this car will 10, and I don't say that because it's your car. Check a little bit her Instagram, but I didn't expect it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you soon.
Next time.
See you, bye bye.